gonna go straight up and we're gonna drop. Like I'm not. These rides always freak me out a little bit. How you doing over there, Jason? Good. All right, get ready, guys. Oh man, we got to the top really quick.
That was fast.
Oh man, it's a beautiful view of the park from up here. Oh crap! Oh my God! Oh, what is it? Oh, here we go! The Menace! We did it! How you doing over there?
I'm menacing the iron.
Yay!
Oh, Talon! You're at Dorney Park! To Dorney. Yes.
I love this ride. I've been riding this for like what, 20 something years.
Oh, a long time.
When did it open? I'm sure someone on the internet will tell us when this ride opened. And are we taking a Zen ride? Yes. It's just us. Look, there's nobody else in the train. Just the three of us. That's it. A nice Zen ride just for us here on Steel Forest at Dorney Park.
I can't see over the top of this, so I'm too short.
I know, like here, like look at you. Here.
This is the lowest setting of the bar.
Oh man, but yeah, look at the view. There's Iron Menace.
Looks so good.
All right. I was gonna say the lift hill definitely seems faster. Get ready, guys. Here we go. Oh man. Oh! Yay! Oh man! Hello, Demon Drop. Goodbye, Demon Drop. Oh man! You definitely feel the speed on this ride. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Oh, I love helixing around Dorney Park. Oh man! Oh, this is doing weird things to my face. Oh! Woo! Oh, get ready, here we go! Whee! Oh! Oh, brake run, brake run, brake run! Woo! Here we go! Blue Tunnel Buffet up ahead! Oh! Hello, Blue Tunnel! Woo! Whee! Oh, man! We're definitely getting some good pops in there. Oh, wow! Ready? Whee! And then this one here. Woo! Oh man! Woo! That is Steel Forest at Dorney Park, also known as the Better Magnum. Yes, I said it. Alright, here we go! You guys can see it in front of you. That is the JoJo roll. Oh, here we go. We're JoJoing! Oh, man! Oh, I love it! Woo! That is how Hydra here at Dorney Park starts out. All right, so let's test our guys' knowledge. If you know what roller coaster used to be right here where Hydra is, post it in the comments, and I'll tell you if you're right or wrong. You can probably also search Wikipedia.
No cheating.
I won't know if you cheated or not, so we'll see. All right, here we go. Oh, yes! Oh! Woo! Oh, man! Woo! Oh! Here we go, more upside down! Oh! We have the green Cobra roll thingy! Oh, man! Oh! Whee! Oh, this ride. I love kind of going down in this ravine over here. It's like a Herculean moment or something. It's so much fun. Woo! And into the brakes. Oh, man. That is Hydra. Did you figure out what ride used to be here? We're not telling you. Post it in the comments. And if you get it wrong, we'll laugh at you. So go to Wikipedia, don't get it wrong.
Are you guys ready?
We are ready!
One more time. Are you guys ready to be possessed?
We're ready to be possessed!
All clear.
Oh God, here we go. How you doing over there? I am never ready for the...
Possessed in 3, 2,
Oh God, here we go. Oh my God! She counted down and I still wasn't ready! Whee! Oh, I love this ride! Yay! Oh! Whee! Here we go! Spiraling up! Woo! How you doing over there?
No break.
I love it! Woo! Oh man! Here we go again! This is such an awesome ride! Whee! Oh! And you know what the best part about this ride is? It's not been knocked down and replaced with something that no one wants to ride! That's what's awesome about it! Woo!
Enjoy your 65-foot drop on the top on Thunderhawk.
All right, everyone, we're here on Thunderhawk at Dorney Park. So we're riding this. I don't know when you're watching this video, but we're riding this in 2024. How old is this coaster? 100 years old this year. That's right. If you're 100 years old and watching this video, this roller coaster was built the same year you were born.
It's old.
It is old.
You are old.
You are very old if you're 100 and watching this video. But we still love you for watching this video, so... Alright, we're at the top of this 100-year-old roller coaster. Alright, here we go, guys! Oh! Woo! Oh! Whee! 100-year-old airtime! Oh my God! Oh! Whee! Oh! This is 100 and something years old now! Woo! I just gained 5 years, so it's 105 years! Whee! 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 Oh man! Oh wow! I feel like all the screaming people behind me just gained us another 10 years. So this ride is now 110 years old.
That's about right.
Oh man, but here we go, Thunderhawk, 100 years old, yay!
Go catch that wild mouse.
Here we go, we're on the Wild Mouse.
Is it his revenge?
No, there's no revenge
No
on this
revenge
Wild
here.
Mouse.
Dorney has menaces, not revenges.
Yes, this is true. All right, is there gonna be a lot of squish on this Wild?
No more squish. I'm so beat up after so much squish. and
There's
roller
gonna be
coaster.
lots of Wild Mouse squish. All right, here we go, we're at the top.
Wild mouse.
There's gonna be some ultimate squish moments.
no.
Oh, here we go, get ready.
No.
Squish! Oh!
Squish.
Oh, you're not squishing
No,
me.
I'm staying on my side.
Oh, squish!
No, stay on your side. We have a nice divider.
Oh, fine, okay. I'm no squish, no squish, no squish, no
Oh,
squish.
that was lovely. I like the
No, I like squish better.
No squish.
Yes.
No squish.
Okay, here comes ready.
No brakes. Hold
Ready.
on, no
Long
brakes.
squish, long squish, long squish. Why are there no brakes on this?
I don't know. It's terrible.
Oh my God. Oh, there was some
Oh
brakes.
wait, we were warned at the end there are brakes.
What? There's a brake at the end?
Yes.
Oh my God! Oh! Little squish.
No squishing. I'll do you.
Tiny squish.
No.
Squish.
No.
Oh, look! This is like a double dip. Oh my God! Wee! One. Wee! Two. Oh!
Be prepared.
Be prepared.
We were told.
Here comes the tooth chipper moment.
Ready?
Oh! Wait! Oh!
That
And
wasn't bad.
we survived! Yay!
Okay, here we go, guys. This is Woodstock Express Revenge Kitty Coaster. Something, oh God, some of these kitty coasters are rougher than like the big, full-on, giant coasters. So for all your parents out there, if you're gonna put your children on this, consider not all coasters are like this. By the way, we're going around again. This is twice on Woodstock here. Whee! Oh boy, oh yeah. That's a jolt. Okay. Woo! Yay! Isn't this exciting? All the roller coasters at Dorney Park. I don't like it. So this is like mounted POV now. Whoa! That's too janky. Okay. Yay, Woodstock! Who likes Snoopy and Woodstock and all the Peanuts gang? Yay! Okay, we're done.
All right, here we go, guys.
Oh wow.
We are getting ready for Demon Drop. Yay! I feel like this should count as a roller coaster, right?
It's got track and a lift.
It has track, it's got a lift hill, it rolls on wheels, it's got gravity. Oh man, here we
I
go.
imagine I really don't like these.
I am never prepared for these old school kind of janky free fall rides.
We also just ate.
Oh my God, here we go.
Ooh, okay.
It's a little worrying when you get right to the top of these things. Oh man, here we go. Oh wow, we're almost there. Hello, Mr. Tire. How's it going? I'm okay, Rob. I'm Mr. Tire. Right, here we go. Oh, we're gonna drop like demons. Get ready for it. Here we go. We're going. We're dropping. When is it gonna drop? I have no idea. Is it broken? Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Here comes the kerchunk! Oh, the kerchunk is always the worst part. Here it goes. Ready, guys?
Okay.
Oh, it's gonna happen. We're on our back.
We're just gonna live here now.
Oh, we're kerchunking!
That's a kerchunk.
Oh, yeah, that was a good kerchunk. Did you survive the kerchunk?
I did.
Oh, and that is Demon Drop. We did it. Oh my God, we barely survived.